Today I'm going to show you how to pin a post to your profile on Instagram. So the first thing that we want to do is go over to our profile screen. From here we can just scroll down to our post and pick any post. I'm going to pick this one because it's doing well. Up in the top right corner there's going to be 3 dots. Go ahead and tap on those dots. And then we're going to get a bunch of options here, and then go ahead and tap pin to your profile. You'll get a little notification that says post pinned to your profile. You can go back now, scroll up to the top and see that this one is now pinned to the top of my posts. I believe you can do this with up to 3 posts. You can also tap on this, tap the 3 dots, and unpin from your profile at any time. I'll go ahead and repin this one real quick. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.